पढ़ाई करो तैयारी जीत की. Welcome to our current affairs channel. The topic today is what is sedition law? The Ministry of Home Affairs has clarified that there is no proposal under consideration to scrap Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code that deals with sedition. What is sedition law? The sedition law has been indiscriminately used against critics, journalists, social media users, activists, and citizens for airing their grievances about the government's COVID-19 management, or even for seeking help to gain medical access, equipment, drugs, and oxygen cylinders, especially during the second wave of the pandemic. Section 124A of the IPC states, whoever, by words either spoken or written, or by signs, or by visible representation, or otherwise, brings or attempts to bring into hatred or contempt, or excites or attempts to excite disaffection towards the government established by law, shall be punished with imprisonment for life, to which fine may be added, or with imprisonment which may extend to 3 years, to which fine may be added, or with fine. Issues surrounding its misuse. The sedition law has been in controversy for far too long. Often, the governments are criticized for using the law, Section 124A of the IPC, against vocal critics of their policies. Therefore, this section is seen as a restriction of individuals' freedom of expression and falls short of the provisions of reasonable restrictions on freedom of speech under Article 19 of the Constitution. The law has been in debate ever since it was brought into force by the colonial British rulers in 1860s. Several top freedom movement leaders, including Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, were booked under the sedition law. Relevant Supreme Court judgments. The Kedarnath versus State of Bihar case 1962. While dealing with offences under Section 124A of the IPC, a 5-judge Supreme Court constitutional bench had, in the Kedarnath Singh versus State of Bihar case 1962, laid down some guiding principles. The court ruled that comments, however strongly worded, expressing disapprobation of the actions of the government without causing public disorder by acts of violence would not be penal. The Balwant Singh versus State of Punjab 1995 case. In this case, the Supreme Court had clarified that merely shouting slogans, in this case Khalistan Zindabad, does not amount to sedition. Evidently, the sedition law is being both misunderstood and misused to muzzle dissent. Need of the hour. The top court has observed that the ambit and parameters of the provisions of sections 124A, 153A, and 505 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 would require interpretation, particularly in the context of the right of the electronic and print media to communicate news, information, and the rights, even those that may be critical of the prevailing regime in any part of the nation. Thank you. Stay tuned for more regular updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. पढ़ाई करो तैयारी जीत की.